So live from Titi Wangsa Gurdwara, we were the United Seats here. As you can see, the volunteers are busy loading up a 5-ton lorry. It's already filled with some rations. At the back there you can see some water. And now they're filling it up with care packages, and there's clothes at the back there also. Volunteers are tirelessly passing and passing. And as you can see here, they've already filled up half of the lorry with clothes, with ration boxes, water, and now they're filling it up with sanitary packs. These are some food packs here. Excuse me, 1 minute. We have volunteers here all the way to the back there. They're loading up packs filled with masks, light dry foods, and basically enough stuff to aid anyone who needs to jumpstart after the floods. All of this and so much more will be going to Muntaka Pahang. This is the third round of aid that's going there. There's already a team there that has established a base camp in Muntaka, and we'd just like to tell all volunteers who want to come and volunteer with us to drop by anytime at 6 p.m. onwards at Titi Wangsa Gurdwara, because we really do need your help, and many hands make light work. Also, if you want to donate food, donate anything, please come and drop it off. If you have any questions, you can drop a message. You can call the hotline. The contact is on our page, and you can come here and help us out. And let me just take you to the back where we go to the back of the Gurdwara, which is normally the Langar Hall, where the ladies are packing instant warm drinks, packs of Nescafe, some, what's this, huh? Panadols. Some Panadols, some candles, matches, soap. And now we're going a bit of a long walk over here to some masks. They're packing more masks. There's some Colgate there. I think they've exhausted the toothbrushes by now. And some sanitary pads for the ladies. And here again, we have the ladies who are tying up the packs so that everyone gets theirs all safe, sound, and all in one piece. Nothing gets lost. There's a lot here, and we hope to aid as many people as we can. So I'd like to repeat that if you wish to donate, please come and donate. We are sending as much aid over to Muntaka Pahang, the heartland of Malaysia, where there's not much aid at the moment because the water is still high in some parts, and they really appreciate the help. So we hope that everyone helps us, joins us to help our fellow Malaysians, our brothers and sisters over in Muntaka, over in Temerloh, over in Bentong. And as you can see, the 5-ton truck is almost full. Imagine an entire 5-ton truck. It's way deep inside. And as you can see on the right, those are some packs. There's food in there, ration packs. And then just at the back there, on top of which these plastic bags are placed, there's water, a lot of water. We're going to try to put those into four-wheel drives as well. And let's try to see if we can speak to Mokum quickly and get some parting words from him. So Mokum, can we have some parting words from you?
Yeah. First of all, I apologize. While doing this work, my mask broke. But,
No worries. That's social distancing.
yeah. So, as Jagdeep has said, a very, very big 5-ton truck has gone. It's our third loading of the whole Pahang flood relief. Okay. We're going to be heading towards Mantakap. We have a full team there. They've already set up a base camp. They have been going every day in Pahang, every day in Temerloh, every day in Mantakap, going looking at the places, going looking at the city, and finding out where the most help is needed. So, with the base camp there, all of the stuff that's from KL, Selangor, everything is going to go towards the base camp. From the base camp, we run everything. We're looking forward to the water subsiding so that we can open more base camps and reach out to more people.
If people want to donate, what would you
If you want to donate,
ask them?
come to our page, go to Instagram, go to Facebook, go to Twitter. We are on all three. Look out for our account. There are posters there with our account number, with the CIMB link. Go and donate. If you want to donate physically, come to Gudwara Titiwangsa and donate what you need and what we need, which is all listed in our posters. Mainly stuff like toothbrush, toothpaste. We got stuff like milk for babies. We got stuff like mosquito coil. So these are basic facilities for them for the time being, just to, baby pampers, adult diapers as well. So as much as you can, clothes, towels, candles, everything that you feel like they would need in a time like this, just come and donate. We'll accept everything and we'll give away everything as well. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Mokum. You can continue with the chain. So we'll leave you with this visual of the volunteers taking out the stuff from the small darbar in Titiwangsa. There's the big one and there's the small one. So this is us signing out, and we hope to see as many as you and as many of you over here to help us. And goodbye.